Okay, so I have on my two-piece from Fashion Nova, and the girls are hanging. So I actually really like this set a lot. It's like really fitted. I don't really typically like to wear white because I feel like it just show all your imperfections, but here we are. So it's summertime and white is in the summertime. So I really like this outfit, but I don't like the way my boobs are sitting. So I'm gonna have to, in this outfit like this, they need to sit here instead of down low where the nipple could come out any second. They need to be here. And in order for us to do that without a bra, because you can't wear a bra, it would show all in here. I'm gonna show you how to do that with boob tape, and they permanently stay there. Because we all know if I move too much, these boobs is going down. So let's get started. Okay, so I am back and I am taped, but I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So of course I went with the color that's closest to my skin, which is mocha, because in case it's so much cleavage out that in case some of the tape shows, you will be able to not really notice it because it's like close to the color of my skin. So that's why I went with mocha. And today I went with the medium size roller tape instead of the smaller size roller tape, so I wouldn't have to use as much. Y'all know I'm spoiled by Big Mama, but we're running low on stock on Big Mama, so I can't use her for all the videos. So I'm going to show you guys the size I use today. So this is Perky. This is our medium size roller tape. So compared to our smaller size roller tape, as you can see, it's like double the size. So I love Perky too. I don't have to use as much as I do when I use the smaller one. This I think would be good for somebody that's like a D cup, and this would be D and under. And this would be like D, maybe double D, but your girl is a triple DH, sometimes I. So here we go. So I am going to show you how I did this, of course. And here we go. So always, it's crazy. I always start the same way, and you guys always are like, how in the world did you do that? But I'm gonna show you. So it depends on the amount of lift that you want to have. That determines how much you need to pull. So for me, I'm gonna pull quite a bit because I want my boobs to sit up like they were in the shirt the first time. So now that I have measured how much tape I'm going to use, and if I pull it over my strap, I could get a maximum lift. So that's what I did. So you don't want to do what I did, which is pull the tape off too fast, because then the tape starts to roll up, and then it may not be as, it may not adhere as much. So start right here at the bottom of your boobs, and you got to pull. So if you see me, I'm like literally pulling up on my boob, and it's making my boob sit up higher. And you're going to pull it over your shoulder as such. And now you can see this boob is lifted higher than this boob, okay? Now let me show you. Let's continue. I'm going to do this side to match. I'm going to do this side, and I'll be right back. So today I'm going to go a little bit up over the shoulder because I'm trying to get that maximum lift, and I'm going to show you guys how. So today I'm going to measure from the bottom of my boob, which is here, into the top of my shoulder, which is there. And I'm going to show you what I did. So this is my medium size roller tape from Shop the True Live, and our link is in the bio. You're going to pull slowly because you don't want the tape to roll up like that. And so when it does, you just make sure you pull it off. Just don't touch too much. And here we go, like I'm doing right now. Okay, so you're going to put the tape underneath your boob, and like you can literally see, the more you pull up, the more you pull up on your breast, the more of a lift you're gonna get. So I want a maximum lift, so I'm gonna pull really hard over my boob, over my shoulder like this, and now I have that maximum lift that I want for this shirt. So now I'm just gonna pull my shirt down. Got my hair stuck in my tape. I'm just gonna pull my shirt down like this. Like that. And we're ready. We are ready, like completely ready to go. Now, if you have a little tape showing like I do right here, that's not a big deal. So all we're going to do is cut, and it's not going to go anywhere. And we have a little tape showing right here too, and it's not going to roll up or leave us or anything like that. So we're going to cut. We're going to go at the bottom right here. And we're going to cut. Uh-oh. Don't cut yourself, girl. Like that. And then we're going to go over our shoulder where we put too much tape. And we're going to come to about right here. And if, let's be clear, if I had taken this in over the shoulder, we could have kept all of it. But I went too wide out. And we're going to cut that. And nobody can see nothing. And now we got our Fashion Nova outfit looking cute for summer. We're going to our all-white party. Wherever we going, we're going to the club with our all-white set on. Or, I mean, it's giving tropical. You can go tropical with your sandals and your beach hat. And you're ready for summer. So it's a boob type summer every summer. Order your True Lift today at shopthetruelift.com. Order your boob tape today at shopthetruelift.com.